the concept of the AppUp services platform, using two sets of services: a storage service that I talked about, and a geo service, which is really a location-based service. So the demo application, we call it CityTours. It gives you a list of tours available for you if you're new to Seattle area. So you can see here on the left-hand side, there is a number of, so it's just a first tour I open up. It's called Seattle Center Tour. And all the stops, all the information here is coming from the cloud. All that coming from one of the service providers we use for storage, and for the sake of the demo, we choose two. We use Amazon S3 and we use Windows Azure. So I think this particular case, it's coming from Windows Azure. On the right-hand side, you see the maps of the area, and you have all the points, all the stops and the tours annotated on the map. And then that data is coming from the geo service that provides all the core set of geolocation services. So you can see mapping, you can see that you can annotate that mapping with your stops or points of interest. You can connect the dots that give you the routing information, and so on. Let me try to get some more information about a particular stop. You will see there when it opens up, it all comes, so there is a textual information, there was a rating, there was a user rating, there was images, all that again coming from that virtual file system. So just work with that as you would work with a local file on your device. The real cool part about that, Peter, is that it takes you less than 10 lines of code to integrate a storage service with your app. And then that's the, less than. So the philosophy here is that if you look at a storage service, that's really a core platform capability that should come from platform. We don't want you to spend time on developing something on your own and reinvent that wheel for every app. We really want you to focus on your value add and then bring more value to app users. So we can give you this capability as part of the platform. That I wanted to show here, but I actually need your advice here, I don't know. We just talked on Monday with the demo team, and we said, wouldn't it be cool that while you go from one stop to another, you can also search for places near you. Maybe you're hungry, you want to get some food. So they literally, and I'm not making it up, they called me last night saying that that part is implemented. I didn't really test it.
But we cut that from the demo because it was...
We did, but I don't know if you want to put it back in. I mean, you want to take a risk, and then, because I don't know what's going to happen.
Okay, so real demos crash, right? You've never seen a Flash demo crash, because who would program a crash into a Flash demo? So
now you want
if this crashes, that proves it's real.
But, and if it does, if it doesn't, it doesn't make it fail. So.
I'm going all the way over here, so I'm sufficiently distanced from the machine catching on fire.
I go here, I go to this find other places area. Okay, so it didn't crash so far, it shows me search for, so let me pick up the category and let me pick up, say...
So we're sourcing these things out of a brokered service?
Yeah, so what happens here is the application makes a call to AppUp location service, which goes to the broker and tells me, hey broker, give me the best suitable geolocation service provider for my current location. And that goes to one of the providers that we use for this demo, and then fetch all this data real time from their backend.
So I could be in a city I've never been in before, and I could just say, source me whatever's there.
Right.
And it'd be like, it could be in Prague. I've never been to Prague. I don't speak Czech.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Czech. Yeah. Well, yeah. Not only that, eventually with the service broker, we can actually give you data from a different location provider, depends on where you are, because the same service provider that has the best set of POI for Prague not necessarily has the best set of POI for Seattle. Right? So if we have both of them offering services on top of an AppUp platform, we'll runtime connect your application to the best service provider so we can get most relevant data.
But I have to rewrite my app to do that, right?
You don't need to rewrite these 10 lines of code. You don't need to resubmit your app. This all happens runtime on the service broker based on number of policies which we can get deep dive into later, because we have a follow-up presentation on this demo application of how exactly it is.
There's like a birds of a feather?
Yeah, it's a birds of a feather. It's today 245 Regency Room. Okay, so it didn't crash, right? So I don't know if it's a flash or not. It didn't crash, and you got all the restaurants near you. And I'm assuming these blue pins are those that are indicating the restaurants. So let me, let me scroll the list. I have, what do you like, Peter? You like pizza?
The Kells. I'm gonna go get drunk. Let's go to Kells.
Where is that?
It's right there on the list. Kells Irish Pub, right there.
Oh, okay, good. So I click that. You see that pin on the bottom became red. So that's our place. So how the hell do I get there? Let me try that.
Because we're going to need to know how to get back.
Yeah. Well, I'm not sure I want to get back, but I definitely want to get there. Okay. So let me zoom out, and I think it worked. I don't know if it's right.
Okay. So moving right along.
Yeah. Just keep going. It's available. I can print it out for you guys if you want later.
We really are a mapping service provider that's been doing accounts.
Right. So just to recap in 30 seconds what you've seen here, we implemented two first services on top of Intel Services Platform, which is a storage service and a geolocation service. The service broker is the heart of that system, and that would use to map your actual application to the particular service provider. It takes you less than 10 lines of code to integrate with which one of those services. So that's the intent. It should be really easy for you to start using when it becomes available. And we have a follow-up session with a deep dive in all this area, 2:45 today, right in CB.
Cool. Thanks.
Thank you.